Hi guys, if you are seeing the something went wrong 0x80070426 error and your all Microsoft related logins are getting logged out for no reason, watch this simple tutorial to fix it. Press Windows key plus R button and type services.msc and press the OK button. Services interface will open. Now search for Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant. Right click, click on Properties. In the startup type, select Automatic, click on Apply. Now click on Start to start this service again and click on OK. Now go to Taskbar, right click, click on Task Manager and search for Windows Explorer. Right click on it and click on Restart to restart the Windows Explorer and your problem should be resolved now. Stay safe.